Hey guys, welcome to the Forex market analysis session, and the setup for today is New Zealand dollar 30-minute unified Gartley. If you were looking for a signal or a trading opportunity to get involved and lose your money, you have it. But if you are looking for some educational stuff, if you look to learn something more, then you can watch this video further. Okay, so what I want to talk to you today is the professional traders thinking, and you should, let's take this example. Let me ask you two questions. They are very popular questions to be asked when you have that psychological stuff training, when you have the psychological training to understand if you possess the professional trader's mindset thinking, or you do not possess that professional trader's mindset thinking. To understand if you will generate money in the long run or you will blow your account in the long run. Okay, there are only two questions. First, I will ask these questions. You write down your answers, pause this video and write down your answers. And then I will answer your questions, and I will tell you what each and every answer means, and you will evaluate yourself. You will understand it. Okay, let us start. So the question number one looks this way. I will give some random numbers, that's why you shouldn't pay attention to them, but they can be whatever. For example, you have a possibility to close your position, but if you close it right now, you will have minus $50. So closing the position right now, you have a guaranteed loss. But if you leave your position, you have a chance for price to move back to break even. You can exit break even. But also you have a chance to get minus $100. So this one is a guaranteed loss, and this one, let me make, I don't know, use this color. This box symbolizes guaranteed loss, and this box symbolizes lottery. You can have zero or even larger loss. What you will choose? A guaranteed loss or a chance to have break-even? Or a larger loss, of course. There is a chance that provides both. It provides break-even and provides a larger loss. And now imagine the second situation. Imagine you have a position and it is in profit. You have $50 in profit. So it may be 500 and this one may be 1,000, yes? And you have $50 profit. And on the other side, you have a chance to lose all your profits back and have break even, to have zero. Or price may continue and you will have $100. So here are your choices. To have a guaranteed winner right now, right here, right now, or to leave your position running and maybe you will lose all your profits, you will give it all back. And of course you have the second possibility to how is that? To generate more. Okay, answer these two questions. What will you do in the first situation? You will either choose the guaranteed loss or a lottery. And what you will do in the second situation in case of profit? Will you choose a guaranteed profit or a lottery? Type it down. I will give you some time. Okay, and now here are answers. What will ordinary man do? An ordinary man ordinary thinking man, he will choose it this way. If he has a position having a loss, he will never close it. He will choose a lottery, he will choose a chance to give the money back. He will never close it. But if he has a win, he will choose to close it in order not to give the money back to the market. And this is the problem why people have it this way. They choose to have small take profit, this is a take profit, but they choose to have larger stop loss, this is a stop loss. The nature of trading is the tendency. It is the tendency. You should keep this in mind. If pricing is moving and we have a tendency, there is a much higher probability that it will continue moving the tendency rather than it will reverse. So when you hope the price to move to break even, you are hoping at this kind of situation, but the tendency says that you have a greater probability for this outcome when you are leaving the position. Even if you have 50 to 50%, your larger loss is much greater than that. 50%. Okay. Do you understand this? When you have a tendency, it is very dangerous to leave your positions running. What a professional trader do instead? He will choose a guaranteed loss in case he has his position going against him. He understands that if his position is going against him and he already price already crossed the critical level or whatever that he defined during his backtest, yes, and he understands that it will most likely continue the same direction. And he also understands this. If he generated $50, it means that price is already moving in his direction. And based on the tendency, it will tend to move further rather than reverse. So the most probable outcome is that price will hit 50 or will hit more of that. So if you have chosen the first answer to have a guaranteed winner and to have a lottery for your losses, then you should either do it this way. You should stop your trading immediately because you will lose your money in the long run, and you should change your psychology. You should reinstall your beliefs to not to have a conflict with what trading gives, with what trading provides. But if you have that professional mindset, you will choose the guaranteed stop loss but not guaranteed winner. This is what is called cutting your losses short and letting your winners run. This is exactly what it means. Cut your losses short, let your winners run. Okay, hope you understood. Type your answers to these questions in comments. Let's put it this way. This will be A, and this will be B. This will be A, and this will be B. If you have chosen the first B and second A, then you are ordinary thinking. If you have chosen first A and second B, then you possess a good professional probability thinking. Well, that's it for today. Hope you liked this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. Until then, good luck, good trading, and I hope to see you soon.